Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Today we're looking at the Sony Ericsson W300 versus the Sony Ericsson W380i. We'll be looking at some of the ringtones, how to transfer files via Bluetooth, quick preview of Sims 2. We'll also have a look at the media player and we'll look at some videos and pictures from both mobiles. If you had either of these mobile phones back in the past or you have one now, I'd appreciate if you drop a comment just down below, tell us which one it was and what you thought of it. With up to 400 hours standby and 9 hours talk time, the W300 2G clamshell mobile phone was released in 2006. It weighed 94 grams, used the mini SIM and had dimensions of 90 by 47 by 24 millimeters. The W380, however, was released a couple of years later in 2008. Whilst both phones came equipped with the main camera, it was only the W300 that came with the built-in video recorder. Here you can see me taking a video of the W380 using the 300, of course. Here's an example of the quality that was possible back in the mid-noughties. A video of the setup that I used to make the videos that you see on Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. With up to 300 hours standby time and talk time of around 7 hours, the 380i had dimensions of 92 by 49 by 16 millimeters. It weighed 6 grams more at 100 grams and again used the usual mini SIM. Both mobiles had USB and Bluetooth capable and both used a display using 256,000 colours. A quick example of using the W380's Music DJ. As mentioned earlier, the 380 did come equipped with a 1.3 megapixel camera but no video capabilities. Here's an example of the camera's quality. Take a couple of pictures of an old Motorola there. The problem that I had with the 380 transferring of files was that the data cable didn't in fact work and the software wouldn't acknowledge that the cable had been connected. Also connecting the Bluetooth to my laptop's Bluetooth never seems to work with any of these old Ericssons. So it was simply a case of connecting the W300s with the W380i's Bluetooth. You then simply proceed to the media that you wish to do the transfer from and to. So here on the 380 I'm proceeding to the photo album. Rather than marking each one individually, it was a case of marking them all simultaneously. Once marked, you just simply click the More button and then select the via Bluetooth option. After searching for a short while, the 380 finds the 300 and then the transfer starts. I've included some examples of the picture quality available on the W380i at the bottom left of the screen there. Naturally, both phones were Java enabled, which was handy if you wanted to spend some time playing the inbuilt games. Lots of demo games on this 380. Here's an example of a Sims 2 demo. I couldn't actually get it connected because you needed access to the internet, but you can see how the game was demonstrated. One of the interesting concepts for the W380i was a gesture control option. This allowed you to silence whether it was an alarm or an incoming call by simply waving your hand in front of the sensor or the camera there. In fairness, you did have to wave your hands a few times in front of that sensor to get it to stop. Here's a quick example of the W380's Walkman music player. Feel free to choose from one of the playlists or the videos I have on vintage mobile phone reviews. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, hit the like, hit the bell and the subscribe, and you'll be notified when new videos are released in the future. Thanks for watching Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews.